Today we're going to make a do-it-yourself Egg McMuffin. Let's grab one English muffin from the refrigerator, put your egg in the microwave if it's not already room temperature. And let's try and get an even slice down that English muffin. We've got a pan already heated and ready to spray it with vegetable oil. And let's firmly press those down to get them nice and toasty. A lot of times I'll just grab a meat tenderizer or something I can press down with. And after about 45 seconds to a minute, they're pretty much done. Now place your silicone egg rings into a pan and quickly get that egg out of the microwave. Don't forget to add a healthy spray of vegetable oil on that silicone egg ring. Aim as best as you can for the center of that ring. Not always perfect, but close enough. Add some pepper, and in your spare time, get that cheese slice ready. Now, while that egg's still a little bit wet on the top, you want to get your egg ream and carefully remove it from the egg. And then turn that egg over. Now here's your chance to cook your egg how you like it. Now personally, I like my egg yolk a little gooey, but feel free to make it any way you want. Now come on, if you went through the McDonald's drive-thru to get this, it would probably be rock hard and most likely ice cold. Let's gently add the cheese slice and allow that to warm and melt over the egg. Once cooked to your preference, remove and place on the English muffin. Here's where you can add bacon, avocado, or whatever you'd like. And there you have it, a do-it-yourself English muffin for about the time it takes for you to drive to McDonald's. Enjoy. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe.